This is my project from day 3. Ta-da! It's pretty boring, but wait. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer.
Oh,
What are the questions?
so what is happening here?
The LED's lighting up.
When
I press this button.
when you press the button, and what happens if you hold the button down for a long time? Does the LED stay on? Okay, it does. So what have you learnt about today?
That with the push of a button, the light turns on.
Okie dokie. So what can you tell me something about the code?
It's got a new thing, pink.
All right. So come on, tell us the bit about
How it gets on.
Yeah. Why does it light up?
On pin P0 pressed, digital right pin P1 to 1.
Okay. So what's the digital right pin P1?
It's that, connecting to that to make that light up.
Okay. So P1 is the LED.
Yeah, pretty much.
And what's P0 then?
It's the button.
Okay, fantastic. And do you have anything else to add?
That this bit, when you touch it for so long, the back of your finger hurts.
Does it get hot?
I don't know. My finger doesn't get hot.
Okay. All right. Anything else to say?
Don't tell this to my mum, but none of these have been fun.
What about making the video?
Okay, that's been fun. Hang on, how did you find out?
Oh my goodness me!
Hang on, are you Mr. Mummy?
Yes, I am indeed.
Well, there.
All right. Well, are we finished?
I guess so.
Okay. You can say bye bye.
Remember till the 24th day.
All right.